Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I want to talk about something very important in watercolor painting practice. Many students ask me how can I improve my watercolor painting. My answer is always simple: practice regularly and trust the process. When we look at a beautiful watercolor painting, we often see only the final result. We see the fresh colors, the beautiful light and the confident brush stroke. But what we do not see are the many hours of practice behind that painting. Every artist has paint mistakes. Every artist has struggled with water control, color mixing, and composition. Improvement comes one painting at a time. Watercolor is a special medium. It teaches patience, it teaches observation, it teaches to accept that not every brush stroke will be perfect. Sometimes a color became muddy, sometimes a painting does not turn out as we imagined. But these moments are not failure. These are the lessons. Think about a musician learning an instrument. They do not become excellent in one day. They practice skills again and again. Athletes train every day to improve their skills. In the same way, watercolor artists must practice regularly. There is no shortcut. The brush becomes confident only when we use it often. Many students wait for motivation before they start painting. But the truth is that motivation often comes after we begin. Even if you paint for only 20 or 30 minutes a day, you are moving forward. Small daily effort create big result over time. Do not compare your result. Do not compare yourself with other artists. Compare yourself with the artist you were yesterday. If your wash is smoother than last week, that is progress. If your drawing is stronger than last month, that is progress. Every small improvement matters. One of the most beautiful things about watercolor is that it teaches confidence. A brush stroke placed with confidence look alive. A hesitant brush stroke often look weak. The only way to build confidence is through practice. The more you paint, the more you trust your hand, your eyes, and your decision. Do not worry about creating masterpiece. Every time you paint, some practice session or simply learning. Paint a tree, paint a cloud, paint a rock, paint a small figures. Study light and shadow, learn how water behaves on paper. This simple exercise builds a strong foundation. If you make mistakes, keep painting. If a painting fails, start another one. If you feel stuck, go outside and observe nature. Look at the colors of the sky, shape of the trees, and the light on the mountains. Nature is one of the great teachers for every watercolor artist. Always remember this. Talent may help you start, but practice help you grow. The artist who paint regularly will improve far more than the artist who wait for perfect condition. So pick up your brush, fill your palette with color, be brave enough to make mistake, be patient enough to learn from them, and be consistent enough to practice again tomorrow. Every painting you create is a step forward. Every brush stroke teaches you something new. Every practice session brings you closer to becoming the artist you want to be. Keep painting, keep learning, and most important, enjoy the journey. Thank you and happy painting.